Hey everyone! If you're looking to change your Google account password through the Gmail app, you're in the right place. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through the steps. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or just forgot it, I've got you covered. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or initial. Tap on it to open the account options. Now, you'll see a pop-up menu with various options. Tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. This will take you to the settings where you can manage all your account information. In the Google account settings, swipe to the right until you see the Security tab. Tap on it to go to your security settings. Under the Security section, scroll down and look for the Password option. Tap on it. You'll be asked to confirm your identity by signing in again. Enter your current Google account password or use fingerprint or face recognition, depending on your device's settings. Once you've signed in, you'll see a field where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong, unique password, ideally one with at least 8 characters, combining uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After typing your new password, you'll be asked to confirm it by entering it again. Make sure both entries match exactly. Once you've confirmed the password, tap Change Password to save the changes. You should see a confirmation message that your password has been updated successfully. Now that your password is changed, you'll be logged out of the Gmail app and other Google services. To access your account again, simply sign in using your new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google account password using the Gmail app. Remember to update your password in other apps or devices where you're logged into your Google account. Stay secure, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.